Building a great employee experience using HR tech is one of the most impactful things you can do for your organization. In this video, we're diving into how to make that happen and how to leverage the right tools to enhance the experience for your team. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, a great employee experience starts with the right HR tech, and I've got a powerful software recommendation you'll want to know about, so make sure to stick around. When it comes to building a great employee experience, it's essential to think about two things: employee engagement and operational efficiency. HR tech plays a huge role in both of these areas, making day-to-day processes smoother and improving overall satisfaction for your team. First, let's talk about streamlining the onboarding process. Employees that feel welcomed from day one are more likely to stay engaged. With the right software, you can automate document signing, benefits enrollment, and even training schedules, all from one platform. This makes it easier for new hires to get up to speed, and it frees up your HR team to focus on more strategic tasks. Next, focus on improving communication. Traditional communication methods, like emails or in-person meetings, can often be slow and ineffective. With HR tech, you can centralize all internal communication, creating one easy-to-access platform where employees can engage with each other, ask questions, and stay updated. Plus, using software tools that allow instant feedback can give employees a voice in the company's direction, which can significantly boost morale and trust in leadership. Now let's move into performance management. A great employee experience isn't just about how well someone is doing, but how well they understand their growth path. With the right HR software, you can track goals, provide real-time feedback, and set up regular performance reviews, so employees know exactly where they stand. This transparency is key to retaining top talent and motivating them to improve. One of the most overlooked aspects of the employee experience is work-life balance. HR tech can make a difference here by offering self-service tools for time-off requests, schedule changes, and payroll management. This reduces friction for employees, making them feel more in control of their schedules, and in turn, more satisfied with their work-life balance. But here's the thing, there's no shortage of HR software out there, and it can be hard to pick the right one. I've tested a lot of the most popular options, and the software we'll be using in this tutorial is one that combines ease of use, flexibility, and all the key features you need to build a great employee experience. And I've secured an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel, so you can follow along and see how it works for yourself. To recap, if you want to build a great employee experience using HR tech, focus on automating onboarding, improving communication, streamlining performance management, and giving employees control over their schedules. This will not only make your workplace more efficient, but will also increase employee satisfaction and retention. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Trust me, this software will help you create the kind of employee experience that attracts and retains top talent. Key takeaway: the right HR tech is about making processes easier, creating transparency, and giving your employees the tools they need to thrive. Don't underestimate the power of streamlined HR solutions in building a better workplace. And that's it. Be sure to check out the exclusive trial, and I'll see you in the next video.